Hi, I'm Ellen. Every time I say that, it makes me think of the Ellen DeGeneres gif. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today is very exciting. You may have seen that I just did a Chloe Ting workout program and I was very proud of myself for finishing that, so I ended up going onto Apple and placing an order. It came in the mail today and I will be unboxing and setting up my Apple Watch Series 3. I decided to get the Series 3 instead of the Series 5 just because some of the features of the 5 weren't really that important to me, and it's a $200 difference, so I went for the cheaper option and just went with the 3, which has more of the fitness tracking aspects anyways. Hi, Future Ellen here. I realized I didn't really do a disclaimer. I just wanted to say this is not me bragging in any way. I purchased this with my own money and it was a purchase that I thought through, so I did research on which Apple Watch I would want and I spent the time to think it over and make sure that this was something I actually did want and would be useful in my life. Without further ado, let's get right into opening it. Oh boy, I'm struggling. Ooh, we love a matte box. Amazing. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, let's see what's in this part. I bet it is instructions. This little guy. So, how you set up the Apple Watch and some of the charging things. Another piece of paper. And then in here, there's the charger, as well as another band it looks like. Maybe it's like a little bit longer, I guess. Here she is. So nice. Okay, let's get this guy off. Ooh. So beautiful. There's a little one on here too. Okay, now I believe to start it, you just push and hold on this. Hello. Silly me, there's 2 buttons and I pressed the wrong one. Hello. We've got that little glowing apple. Ooh. Okay, so it's gonna try and use my phone. Don't judge my phone because my phone has a very cracked screen protector, but don't worry, it's just the screen protector. So here is my phone. We are near each other. Ooh. Continue. Okay, put on our Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Okay. First time. Damn it. Oh, it got me with that upgrade. Okay, please hold. Shoot. Well, that took flippin' forever. Okay, so now we're ready to continue. And here we go. I'm hoping that I'm catching this on the video, but okay. Yay! Okay, set up Apple Watch. I'm gonna take the watch off so that I can have it in my hand. So cute. Apple Watch Workouts uses your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Yeah. And it shares settings with your iPhone. Okay. Apple Watch passcode. Cool. I will create a passcode off screen, of course. Okay. Activity. Set up activity. My birthday. My height. Okay. Okay. Emergency SOS. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. This will also send messages to your emergency contacts. Okay. Install available apps. I'm going to choose later because I feel like I won't want all of them. Ooh. I also wanted to show you, I found a cute picture that I wanted to make my watch background, so I cropped it to the right dimensions, saved it to my phone, and hopefully I will be able to get that set as a cute little background or watch face for my watch. I found the photo on unsplash.com, which is a really awesome website for finding stock photos that you can use for free. I will have this one linked in the description below if you want to use the same photo as me. I don't know if I'm supposed to do anything on here. They do have those little instructions to talk about just the basics on the display and the 2 buttons that it has. I don't know if this is the status bar and like how much this has synced. Hopefully not, because that's not very much at all. Just a little update. I decided that definitely is the progress bar on how synced it is, and we are sitting around 2/3, so it is taking kind of some time, but you know what? It's okay. We've done it! Okay. We're ready. Woo! That was fun. Did a little vibration there. Okay, that is not the cutest face, so we are going to work on that. How do you add one? Let's give that there. Okay, well, I'm gonna play around with this some more, but we're basically set up and ready to go. There she is. Quick update, I did find how to add this as my background, so I went and I chose photos. Future Ellen again. I realized I wasn't super clear on this. Basically, in the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, there is a bar along the bottom with 3 different options. The middle button is the face gallery, and that's where I found the photo option. Oh, also, okay. So I went in and I chose photos, 1 photo, and then I picked the one that I wanted, and I have the time at the bottom, and then I also put the weather in there, and I'm setting it as my current watch face. So now I have the custom background that I wanted, and there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox and set up my Apple Watch. I've had it for 1 day and I already love it. I think it's going to be a really great way to be able to track my workouts, count my steps, all of that good stuff. If you have an Apple Watch and have any tips or apps that you really like using on it, leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!